So here I'll be showing you how I make my potting soil, all the ingredients that are included in it, and what the stuff looks like. So we have some sand. Next to it we have some perlite. Then we have some cocoa peat or cocoa coir. And then right next to that I have some eggshells. All right. So in the bin already to the bottom we have the sand, the cocoa peat, the perlite, and some of the eggshells. And right here is a 5-gallon bucket of Bokashi, my homemade compost. Okay, I guess I'll link the Bokashi presentation underneath this one so you guys can take a look at that as well, how I made my Bokashi compost. And right over here, once I'm finished mixing in the Bokashi with the other stuff, I have a 5-gallon bucket of dirt, old potting soil and dirt from the ground, soil from the ground. Okay, so any old pots of soil that you have around, don't throw them away. Just include it back in the mix and put your compost, and then that way you would have enriched your soil and you can plant in it again. So here is my soil in the making, my potting soil in the making.